Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome back to another exciting episode of turning your backyard into a thriving paradise. Today, I'm diving into the world of coriander, also known as cilantro. If you've ever struggled to grow this fragrant herb, or if you've never tried, I've got you covered. Stick around because I'm sharing my top tips to grow coriander from seed to plate. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, coriander seeds are actually the dried fruits of the coriander plant. To give them the best start, lightly crush the seeds before planting. This helps them germinate faster. Now sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil. Coriander loves full sun, but it can tolerate a bit of shade. Make sure to space the seeds about 6 inches apart to give them room to grow. Next up, watering. Coriander needs consistently moist soil, especially during the germination period. But be careful. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Aim to keep the soil damp, not soaked. A good tip is to water in the morning so the soil has time to dry out during the day. Once your coriander starts to sprout, thin out the seedlings. This means removing the weaker plants to give the stronger ones more space to thrive. Trust me, it makes a big difference. And don't forget to mulch around your plants. Mulching helps retain moisture and keeps those pesky weeds at bay. Now let's talk about feeding your plants. Coriander isn't a heavy feeder, but it benefits from a little boost. Use a balanced organic fertilizer once a month to keep your plants happy and healthy. And remember, happy plants mean a bountiful harvest. One of the coolest things about coriander is that you can harvest it in stages. Start by snipping off the outer leaves once they're big enough to use. This encourages the plant to keep producing. If you let some plants go to seed, you can collect the seeds for future planting or even use them in your cooking. Talk about a win-win. And there you have it. Growing coriander doesn't have to be tricky. With these simple tips, you'll be harvesting fresh, flavorful coriander in no time. Whether you're adding it to your favorite salsa or sprinkling it over a curry, nothing beats the taste of homegrown herbs. So get out there and start planting. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!